Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool metal right here, and basically what this is a Wi-Fi router. You can see it from this brand right here, and they call this the AC2100 dual band model KY gigabit Wi-Fi router. But first I'm actually take off the wrapper to show you guys a better view of the product. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, this is basically actually looks right here. So you can see in the bottom right here, they provide guys some of the specs and features that's on the product right here. So obviously, if you can see from the photo right here, there's a total of 7 different antennas on here. So you definitely get a good range when you guys actually set up the product. They do mention for the product here is perfect for like home usage or for office usage as well, and for gaming if you guys are a gamer. If you can see inside right here, they provide guys some more specs and features that's on here. And definitely when you guys set a product, you do want to download the app. I'll show you guys how to do it in a second. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up the package, this actually looks like inside. Let's pull it out. Alright, so when you guys pull it out, there's definitely a lot of stuff inside right here. But let's take everything out. So right here, the product guide instruction manual and a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to install it and also how to set it up as well. Right here, we see the product guide the Ethernet cable. Right here, we see the product guide the cable you have to plug in to actually activate the actual router. And then last but not least, we do have the Wi-Fi router right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take out the product, this actually looks right here. So it's gonna push all these up. Alright, so just like that. And if you see in the back right here, there's definitely a lot of different outlet plugs on here. So right here is where you guys want to plug in the cable to actually activate it. Right here you can plug in the cable for the WAN. And right here we have the slot where to plug in the other IP cables here as well, which are the Ethernet cables as well. And definitely you can see in the bottom right here, they do have a non-slip material on all 4 sides. So that way when you guys put it down, it won't move around. If you guys look carefully right here and right here, they do have the option for you guys to actually hang on the wall if you guys want to. And if you guys do decide to actually hang on the wall, you want to adjust your antennas back up like this. And that is only if you guys do want to hang onto the wall. But see in the front part right here, we do have the brand logo as well. And one that I forgot to mention right here, if you can see, they do have the reset button that also works as the WPS button as well. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Before I actually plug it in, let me actually download the app to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So if you guys look at the instruction manual, they do provide a QR code to actually download the app. So I'm gonna do that first. Alright, so this is basically the app you guys want to download. So I'm actually download it first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like when you guys download the app. It'll tell you guys to set it up. So I'm actually going to set this up and show you guys the whole setup process and everything. And we'll do like a speed test later on. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. Let's plug it in. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in. You can see the indicator light pops on. So what I'm going to do now is to go to our settings on our phone. It basically will connect it to the Wi-Fi that's underneath the actual router right here. Alright, so this is basically what the screen should look like when you guys connect it. And for the next step, they'll tell you guys to actually set up a password. So I'm going to do that first. Alright, so once you guys got this all set up, this is basically what the app looks like. So tell you guys the speed and everything on here. And it definitely give you guys all these different tools on here, like the Wi-Fi schedule, the guest network, the security check, remote wake up, reboot, and etc. You definitely have the option to do blacklist, reset, system update, and etc. But I'm actually do a quick speed test to actually see how it works. Alright, so this is not bad. Download speed is 91 and upload speed is 47. So the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. Definitely the whole setup process didn't take that long if you guys followed all the instructions correctly. And it's actually really cool how to give you guys the option to actually manage certain stuff on the app as well. So that way you guys know when the internet is up or down. And also when you see from the speed test, the product definitely works pretty fast. But definitely one thing to remember is that this part right here, it is a Wi-Fi router. It's not like a router modem. So if you guys do need like a router modem, you definitely won't get a different product. But now to come unboxing and testing about it, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality Wi-Fi router to give you guys a fast internet speed, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.